What's up, guys? Welcome back. So pretty much, guys, as you guys can see, we're on the all-wheel drive EK, and we're about to head to Fontana to go see my brother tune. We're gonna go ahead and see what that wagon makes. Hopefully he makes some good numbers. Hopefully everything goes good. Fingers crossed. You know what I mean? Again, it's a new build. He has been driving it. He has been taking it to meets and stuff like that. KV actually was able to squeeze him in this time to get him on the dyno, or on the hub dyno, and he's gonna go ahead and tune it now. So right now it is a K24. It does have 3.2 cams on it. It does have springs retainers, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It does like have a full head package, if I'm not mistaken, or it could be just stock. But he does have the 3.2 cams. Aside from that, he is going to be tuning on nitrous. So I think he's going to do the pulls first without nitrous, and then from there he's going to go ahead and go on nitrous. I'm not sure if it's 100 or 150 shot. We'll go ahead and update you guys when we get there. But right now we're going to head to his house. We're going to take the all-wheel drive EK and just see how it does. I have been driving the car more lately. I took it up this morning to a Cars and Coffee, and it actually held really good. Temps get up to 204. Well, that's what's to be expected. It is a turbo car. Usual, from what my understanding, K swaps are around 200, running already that temperatures. Once going up the hill, that's when it reaches the 204, but just driving 188, 190, which is normal. Just when you're going up the hill, that's when you get a little bit more. You have to give it more gas, and that's when temps start to climb. But overall, I'm happy with it so far. It's held up and it's doing its job with the holes in the thermostat, and I haven't had any issues so far. And fingers crossed, pray to God everything stays the same, because we are nearing closer to H day. So I have him here with me, and we're gonna go ahead and get there and get him out of the house. So hopefully everything goes good tonight. And I'm not gonna do a lot of recording. I'm gonna do exactly like how I did it with Jose's, get some of the pulls, see how it goes, and keep you guys updated. So let's go ahead and head out, guys. Alrighty, guys, so as of this point, we're gonna go ahead and start doing some pulls. KV's gonna start cleaning things up. We fixed the issue with the fuel. It's actually holding now. Right now it's gonna be no VTEC. He's gonna start doing pulls. So if you're wearing headphones, this is your early warning. Lower your volume, because it is an open header car, and it's gonna progressively get louder as every pull goes, because he's gonna tune with no VTEC, then he's gonna go VTEC, and then we're gonna go with the nitrous. So just early warning, turn down your volumes, because I don't want you guys putting in the comments. So let's just get to it. first pull, 171. These guys trying to catch a kitty. Alright, so we had an issue with the fill filter. Screen is totally clogged because it looks like it has like the glue in it. It is a stainless filter, but it's missing the cone inside of it, and you can see it's just the glue just melted inside of it. You can see that. But yeah, so we fixed it, we cleaned it. It's running a little bit lean, so we're trying to figure out what's going on with the setup. And that's still no VTEC.
No, that was VTEC.
VTEC?
Yeah.
Well, that's right, to 7,000.
Like 2 to 3 to
yeah. Because your VTEC's coming in at 7,000.
Yeah. Instead of like 5.
Damn, that shit's loud, bro. Be like 2 more pulls, 1 more, see what it does, and then another one to see what it does. These are gonna be probably the last 2 on our motor.
Laying all over the motorbike.
All in the holes, bro. All in the holes.
You know when they blow up, bro? When they get too fucking high and they leave the torch on and fall asleep.
Oh yeah.
That's when the motherfuckers blow up.
You need the bottle warmers.
Yeah. And that bottom warmer shit works? Yeah.
Yeah. Or like... Bottom warmer's good for the winter.
Yeah.
For the winter.
It's like this all with the torch on.
Like when you have a dedicated race car, bro, you carry a torch and you carry a fucking ice bucket. Because when it gets too hot, you gotta put the bottle on the ice.
Alrighty guys, so unfortunately things did not go good. Car still runs, everything's driving fine, cooling, everything is good on the car, except we couldn't do a pull on the nitrous. We tried doing 2 pulls, warmed up the bottle at 800, we warmed it up to 1000, and it really didn't produce any power anymore because nitrous just was not in the car. So at the end of the day, my brother decided to go ahead and just pull the car off the dyno. It is tuning on the motor now, so I thought he can at least drive it and just have fun, and now he can actually enjoy it instead of driving with the stupid base map. But at least now he can enjoy it and have fun. So he's probably gonna come back next week on the weekend and finish off the tune on nitrous, and I'll probably see if I can record that or see if he'll record it and send it to me, so that way you guys can have it for the video also. But 240 horsepower, all motor, for literally cams, oil pump, and ARP head studs. That's all this car has. I thought it had more than that, but this is all it has. So 240 all motor K24, pretty good, I guess you can say. Do I think he can beat me? No, but hey, one day I guess we'll find out, since he only wants to race me in front wheel drive. So still fun, still come out here, support him, and hopefully on the next video we'll be able to get, or I'm not sure if it's gonna be the next video, but hopefully on the next couple of videos I'll see if I can get the dyno for the pull on the car and show you guys what it really makes on nitrous. So pretty much guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time. And don't forget, copy your guys' merch, guys. Your guys' support really does go a long way. But yeah.